In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on a GoDaddy website step by step, even if you're completely new to hosting and website setup. This is one of the easiest ways to get a WordPress site online, because GoDaddy makes the process simple and beginner-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, what to select, and how to finish the setup without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and WordPress guides. Now, let's get into it. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your registered domains, hosting plans, and other services in one place. If you have multiple products, take a moment to make sure you're working with the correct hosting account for the website you want to build. After that, find your web hosting plan and click Manage under the Web Hosting section. This will open the hosting control area for that specific plan. From here, GoDaddy will give you the tools you need to create and manage your website, including the WordPress installation process. Next, choose the option to create a new site. This tells GoDaddy that you want to start a fresh WordPress installation instead of connecting an existing website. If you're building a brand new site, this is the correct choice. Once you select it, GoDaddy will begin walking you through the setup steps. Now you'll be asked to select the best data center based on your location. This step matters because the closer your website is to your target audience, the better your loading speed and overall performance can be. If your visitors are mostly in one country or region, choose the data center that gives them the fastest access possible. For most users, GoDaddy will recommend an option that works well, so if you're not sure, follow the recommended choice. After that, GoDaddy will ask you to confirm that this is a WordPress website. Make sure WordPress is selected, because that is the platform you want installed. WordPress is one of the most popular website builders in the world, and it gives you a flexible foundation for blogs, business sites, portfolios, and online stores. Confirming this step ensures GoDaddy installs the correct software for your new site. Then, you'll need to choose a WordPress username. This username is important because it will be used to access your WordPress dashboard after installation. Try to choose something secure and easy for you to remember, but not too simple or obvious. If possible, use a strong username that isn't easy to guess, since this is part of keeping your site secure from the start. Once that's done, review everything one more time to make sure the setup looks correct. If the hosting plan is right, the data center is selected, and WordPress is confirmed, you're ready for the final step. Click Create My Site, and GoDaddy will begin installing WordPress for you automatically. Depending on the setup, this may take a few moments while GoDaddy prepares the site and configures your hosting environment. When the process finishes, your WordPress site will be ready to use. At that point, you can log into your WordPress dashboard, start customizing your design, install themes and plugins, and begin building your website content. This is the point where the real fun begins, because now you have a live WordPress foundation ready for editing and publishing. So, to quickly recap, you log into GoDaddy, go to My Products, open your web hosting manage page, create a new site, pick the best data center, confirm WordPress, choose your username, and then click Create My Site. That's all it takes to install WordPress on GoDaddy. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, hosting guides, and step-by-step website setup videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.